untuk number 3 ni, you kena mention dulu. You ada mukadimah sikit lah. You kena mention, okay, in this data set, we have 16 variable. But we only interested to use 5 variables. Macam tu lah. Okay, you ceritalah, kena ada satu penceritaan. You jangan simply say, kita guna 5 variables saja. You kena cakap, you ada 16 variables in the data set and then we are interested to use 5 variables only, which is 3 quantitative and then 2 qualitative. Nampak tak macam tu? Okay.
Kiranya kena bagi reasoning lah for each of the variables tu.
Yes, betul. Ada penceritaan dia lah. Okay. Okay, next. Data collection, sample size. Okay. Ni sama juga sample size ni. Contoh, you punya data tadi ada 690 samples. Okay. Tapi you ada missing value. And then you mention lah berapa missing value you ada. Then you want to remove that missing value. Okay. At first we have 690 sample size. But after we remove the missing value, the remaining sample size yang digunakan for the next analysis adalah berapa? 500 ke? Okay. As long as above 30 should be okay. Okay, clear? Okay, next. Next is the study design. Study design, identify the statistical procedure you use to analyze your data. Yang ini, statistical procedure yang macam saya cakap tadi lah, ada flowchartnya. Dan kalau you gunakan, ini ada the first topic kan. So for the first topic, you akan kira mean, median, and then you kira mode, okay. Variance, so semua formula untuk each analysis tu, you kena mention the formula, okay. You mentionkan the formula. Okay. And then give relevant design details, okay, which is determine the type of each variable as quantitative ke, qualitative ke, and then discrete ataupun continuous, and also the measurement levels of each variable. Oh, okay. So sekarang ni I nak tunjuk sekali lah. I tunjukkan sekali how to import the data from Excel to SPSS. Okay. So kita dah ada this data, this clean data set tadi kan. Ni. Okay. Saya tutup ni so don't save lah. Okay. So actually I dah download. So I dah explain this about the data dekat kelas-kelas lain juga. So this is the data. Sama clean data set ni sama dengan data. I rename it as data. So we open it. So open it with Microsoft Excel. So this is the variables and then this is the data. Okay. Kita tutup balik. So now you go to mana? SPSS Statistics ya. Bila you download nanti SPSS tu akan dapat this one SPSS Statistics and then SPSS Statistics Installation Wizard Python and SPSS Computer Utility. Kita akan guna this one ya. Kita akan guna this one. Okay, you click this one. Okay, tunggu dia open. Kejap Dalam kelas you ada guna software apa Ada guna tak? Last semester ke? Ataupun masa diploma ke?
Software macam mana?
Macam ni lah, yang macam ni. Kalau student statistik dia akan guna SPSS ataupun R ke, C++ ke, dah dengar? Belum? Mungkin next semester kot. Belum pernah? Belum ya?
Yang software macam ni belum pernah lagi. Lepas itu yang kita orang guna software lain lah macam yang C++ yang tu ataupun Packet Tracer tu. Okay, faham. Ya. Student statistik pun ada juga guna C++ tu. Okay, so untuk SPSS first exposure lah. Jangan risau, SPSS very simple, easy to use. Okay, you just click and then akan dapat output. Okay, close. You akan klik close. Okay, sekarang kita nak import the data Please look at carefully You go to file and then you click import data and then you check you punya data in which format. Okay, go balik kita tengok. So .csv. Okay, so file import
file, import data, and then CSV data. Okay. Tunggu pop-up, pilih data dulu, you pilih data, I will choose data.csv and then open. Okay, so dia akan generating preview data Okay, so yang ni tak perlu set, default, and then you click OK. Okay, now kita dah masukkan data, dah import dah data yang just now lah. So we have two view here, data view and also variables view. Then we have some types here lah. Okay, I akan tunjuk lah. Okay, so now kita nak ubah sikit lah dekat variable view tu. Okay, untuk variable view, untuk name ni, you tak boleh ada spacing. Kalau you buat spacing here, dia akan keluar satu pop-up. Variable name contains an illegal character. So tak boleh. Dia kena rapat lah. In case lah, you nak bagi dia jarak lah, ada space, you kena type dekat label. Okay. Years, employed, then should be okay lah. Okay. Okay, next. Look at here. Ini default. Untuk gender, it is nominal because just category and female and male. Okay. So leave it like that. And then age is under skill. Maksud skill ni adalah ratio sama maksud dia. Ratio. Okay. And then marriage under nominal because we only have married and also single. Okay. Next one, years employed and then income. Okay, ni dua-dua ni under ratio sebab semua data points kan, semuanya bernombor. Okay. So sekarang ni you tengok dekat gender and marriage ni, marriage So dekat sini dia 101 ni. Tapi kita tak nak guna macam tu. Dia ada meaning untuk satu adalah male, zero adalah female. Macam mana I tahu? You go to the website semula, you go down, kalau you tengok kat sini ada description je. Gender 0 is for female and then 1 is for male. Okay. So kita nak ubah sikit lah. On the variable view, you go to values. Ni you click. Ada dua value which is 1 is for male and then you click add. 0 is for female. Then you click add. And then you click OK. Okay. Nak tengok perubahannya dekat mana? You go to data view. You go to this one. A dengan 1. Nampak yang ni? Ni I click akan jadi 100 ni. Tapi klik lain sekali dia akan keluar appear male female. Okay. Same goes to marriage. You go to marriage. 1 is for married. 0 is for single. You click add. Then you click OK. Yeah. Then you go to data view untuk tengok the changes. So you click here. Dia akan nampak ada married and single lah. So ada meaning dia. Okay. So now kita settle dekat bahagian the variables tu. Okay. 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 So yang ni boleh tengok lah measurement levels of each variables tu. You boleh tengok dekat sini lah measure ni. Okay. So kalau scale ni please mention ratio sebab dalam ni je dia mention scale. Tapi dalam yang kita belajar kita follow ratio kan. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay dah. Okay dah settle sampai sini. I want to show examples untuk results descriptive statistics before I terlupa, the due date for this group project adalah week 7, 22nd May, 11:59. Okay. Kalau you tengok dekat sini, I dah assign kepada 10 student sebab kita ada 10 group kan. So the first name will be the person yang akan upload. Okay. Bukan yang tolong compile. You boleh bincang dengan your team members untuk compile, siapa yang akan compile, but this is the person yang akan upload, yang bertanggungjawab untuk upload. Okay, kalau tak submit tu, you cari kawan-kawan you ni. Yeah, okay. So hopefully semuanya submit lah on time ya. Okay, kita go to this one semula. Results, descriptive statistics. Obtain descriptive statistics for each of the variables. Not that you will be reporting summary statistic for all the variables yang you interested lah. And then report each set of descriptive statistics using both table and chart as described below. All tables and chart should be placed directly in your report. Okay. So you kena ada tables and chart. Ini untuk the quantitative variables. Okay, where we can find the mean, median, minimum, maximum standard deviation, variance, and then the range. Okay, so kita try on age sebab dia tiga variables je yang boleh buat this descriptive ni, age, years employed and income. Okay, you go to analyze, you go to descriptive statistics, and then you go to frequency. Okay, dapat analyze, descriptive statistics and frequency. Okay, and then you click age because we are interested on age variables. You masukkan ke kanan. Then you click, kita tak nak display frequency table sebab nanti dia akan tunjukkan berapa frequency untuk setiap value. So kita ada banyak sangat kan, nanti kena scroll down banyak. So you just untick here and then you go to statistics. The first tab ni kita berminat untuk tengok the mean, the median, the mode, okay, and then the standard deviation, the variance, the range, the minimum and also the maximum. Okay, and then you click continue. Okay, you click continue and then you click OK. Okay, akan dapat satu table untuk age. Okay, then you click right click and then you click copy. Then you go to Microsoft Word. Sekejap Okay, yang ni tukar jap I tukar jap. Ni tak ada apa pun, ni setting je. Okay, jap. Ish. Okay, then you right click, you paste here. So dapatlah satu table untuk age. Okay, so as usual takkan kita nak tunjuk terus table kan, kena ada caption. Caption untuk table should be above the table table 1. Apa? Age of the staff ke kan. And then you go back. Kalau you tengok balik pada explanation ni, kena ada semua ni, then followed by chart. Show the relevant chart or graph that illustrate the variables. Okay, so you go to the SPSS, kita nak buat chart. Chart yang sesuai untuk kualitatif data adalah histogram. So you go to graph, legacy dialogues, then you go to histogram. Okay, and then which variable? Age variables. And then click display normal curve. Nak tengok the skewness of the data. Is it positively skewed? Is it negatively skewed? Or ataupun inilah normally distributed. Okay. You can add on the titles kalau you nak. Okay. Then you click OK. Okay. You go down, scroll down. Okay. Nampak macam skewed to the right. Okay. Nampak dia macam sebelah kanan lagi lah. Okay, you boleh juga, you tak nak garis-garis belakang ni. Okay, ada grid kan. So you double click here. And then you remove grid tu dekat sini. Okay. You remove grid ni. Okay. So dapatlah this one. Okay, dapatlah this graph histogram untuk age. Okay, you right click and then click copy and then click on the Microsoft Word and then you paste here. Okay, and then you punya caption untuk figure adalah di bawah figure. Okay, use this format please. Even you punya FYP pun akan follow this one You kena ada tables is above the table and then figure caption is under the figure ni lah, under the figure lah. Okay, and then you state the title lah untuk this figure. Okay. Okay, tu untuk age. Kita try lagi satu which is for income income. So you click analyze, kita dapatkan tables dulu, descriptive statistic and then frequency. And then age kita buang, bawa ke kiri, and then years employed, go to the right and then click OK. You akan dapat these tables. Okay, look at here, there is no missing value Tengok ada tak missing? Zero. So valid sample size adalah 690. Okay, you tengoklah mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, maximum. Even though you are not calculating manually, you kena juga mention the formula dekat dalam the previous section tu, dekat dalam study design tu lah. Okay, macam dalam yang ni. Study procedure. Okay, dekat dalam study design Okay. Okay. So, you dah dapat this one lah. You dah dapat this one. You copy and then you open Microsoft Word and then you paste. Okay, dapat untuk years employed. Okay. Okay, kita dah settle on the descriptive lah. Bahagian kuantitatif. Okay. So now we need to do for qualitative. Qualitative adalah in gender and also marriage ni. Okay, kita nak tengok what is the percentage for female, what is the percentage for male. Okay, we go to this one, this SPSS ni. Okay, kita klik analyze, descriptive statistic and then frequency. Okay, ni you remove lah, bawa ke kiri balik dan kita nak tengok gender and also merit. We go to the press to the right and then we want to display frequency tables, berapa banyak Okay. So statistik ni untuk kualitatif kita tak boleh kira central tendency, so untick. Sama juga kita tak boleh nak tengok the spread of the data tu. Okay, untick please. Okay, and then click continue. Then you just click OK. Okay. You akan dapat this table. So you can report 480 or 69.6% of the staff are male and then the remaining will be the females lah. Then you click copy, right click right click, then copy, bawa ke Word. Okay, you akan dapat this tables. Okay. Yang ini akan menjawab soalan untuk statistical analysis statistical analysis, frequency tables and then you need to have appropriate charts here How to do this? You click. So selalunya kalau kita nak display kualitatif data ataupun gender ataupun marriage yang categorical, you boleh buat pie chart ke, bar chart ke. Okay, I will show you. You click graph, you click legacy dialogues and then you go to pie, meaning pie chart lah. Yang ini default, you just define. And then kita nak slice by apa? By gender kan? Ada female and juga male kan? And then you click OK. At the same time, you can change the title here. Okay, you click OK. Okay, dapat satu pie chart untuk gender. Okay, tapi you rasa you nak tunjukkan data level berapa persen, berapa number of cases here. Okay, you double click dulu. And then you right click, you click show data labels. Akan appear count, which is the frequency and also the percent. Tekan percent, bawa naik atas. Okay, then click apply. Then you close. Nampak? Dapat ni. Okay. Okay, lagi satu nak tingkatkan creativity you. You rasa you tak cantik lah pula. Tak nampak sangat perbezaan the colours tu for each slice tu. You click satu kali, dia akan control all pie chart. You click satu kali lagi. You click lagi satu kali lagi, you akan dapat satu slice ni saja. Then you can change colour to yellow. You akan dapat yellow ni lah. Okay. Okay, klik luar. Then you nak change this colour juga. Satu kali dia akan control all slide. Tekan satu kali lagi, dia akan control this slice saja, yang big one je. Okay, you change to pink. Okay, dapatlah. Then klik luar ni. Okay. Okay, so klik close. You right click and then you tekan copy. Then you go to this one. You akan dapat pie chart kat sini. You paste lah. Okay, dapatlah untuk gender. Okay. Contoh. One more adalah you go up. You nak frequency tables untuk marriage. You copy. Then you paste in the Word. Okay. Paste in the Word. Oh, I tak nak lah guna pie chart untuk this one. I nak guna bar chart. Okay, you click graph, you click legacy dialog, and then you go to bar. Okay, then you click define. Okay, jadi merit lah. Okay, category axis masukkan merit. Merit kan patutnya. And then you click okay. Okay, dapatlah this bar chart. Okay. Okay, so next you tak nak these two color, two column, two bars ni sama, you click double click to activate. And then you nak buang grid belakang dulu, so you go here, okay. Klik satu kali dekat bar akan control all the bars. Then you click lagi satu kali akan focus on these bars only. Then you change the color, you tukar to red, okay. And then you click satu kali kat sini, you akan change the color to black. Okay. Okay, so akan dapatlah this one. You close it, dia akan auto save ya yang tu. And then you copy, then you paste to Word. Okay. Okay, it is better for you to display the frequency table and also the chart in the same page. So you go down this one lah. Ataupun you kecilkan pun boleh lah. Tapi jangan make sure jangan kecil sangat kan, nanti tak nampak. Okay, sama juga kalau you nak show the data labels, you double click, you right click, then you show data labels. Okay, you bawa naik persen ke atas, then you click apply. Okay, close, then you akan dapat. Okay, this one. Yang ni yang you akan paste ke Word. Okay. Okay, boleh follow ke so far?
Boleh.
Okay. Okay, so next. Next adalah senang je SPSS tu. Okay, so the appropriate charts or graph, be sure to label them properly. Ni semua benda-benda kecil ni I akan tengok And then describe the distribution. Okay, contohnya macam mana shape dia lah. Yang ini kalau lebih kepada this one actually dekat bahagian data kuantitatif ya. Macam mana bentuk dia. Okay. And then C is the discussion of the measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion and its meaning in the context of your research. You kena relatekan dengan you punya study lah yang kita belajar dalam in previous weeks ya. So next one is the findings. So kita dah ada output semua, you kena mention the you kena interpret the results of your statistical analysis in the context of your original research question. Okay. And then which of the measures of central tendency do you think best describe your data? Contoh kalau you punya data is positively skewed, then which measures of central tendency yang bagus digunakan? Okay. So obviously median lah, kita dah tak boleh guna mean kalau data tu not centered. Okay, tak center, tak boleh guna mean. Kena guna median. Okay. And then why, kena mention lah kenapa, sebab data tu positively skewed. Macam tu And then do your analysis support your expected findings? So kita expect lagi tinggi years employed, lagi tinggi income. Okay, tapi suddenly tiba-tiba bila you run, you dapat negative relationship, which is bila years meningkat and then income menurun. So you kena mention lah, is it your findings tu support you punya expected findings tu. Okay, results you tu sama tak dengan you punya expected findings. Okay, kena explain sikit. Okay. The next is, the last one is the discussion. Okay, discussion, you can mention what is the conclusion, do you believe you can draw as a result of your study. Okay, and then what factor, contoh kalau result yang you tak expect kan, dapat value dia macam pelik sangat ke, you just report, tapi you kena fikirkan what factor yang membuatkan results you tu macam tu. Okay. What did you learn from the project about the population? What did you learn about the research variable? And then what did you learn about the specific statistical analysis you conducted? So apa yang you belajar? I nak tengok your point of view. Okay, settles untuk topic 1. Any question for topic 1? Ada soalan?
No.
No. What about others? Ada tak?
No, macam.
Okay, no, kita continue. Okay, kita continue.